Nagaland News Network has been following up on the case of the health insurance schemes here in Nagaland, specifically the PMJAY Ayushman Bharat as well as the Chief Minister's health insurance scheme. The last few months has seen a lot of controversy and a tussle between the Nagaland Private Doctors Association and the government of Nagaland, especially the Nhps, the Nagaland Health Protection Society. Now, on the sidelines of a program in Chumakidima, we had the opportunity of meeting and talking to the CEO of the Nhps, Thavasilin K. We came to know recently that the Nagaland Private Doctors Association and every private hospitals in Nagaland has given a 1 month's notice to terminate all these schemes, which means that no schemes or health insurance schemes will be made available to the public by the private hospitals all across Nagaland, and especially Kohima and Dimapur, where the population is huge as well. Now, this has come after multiple requests by the NPDA to the government of Nagaland. But then this time, the CEO NHPS has assured that they are working till the last date of the contract with the insurance company, that they will make sure and hope that no such case happens, no such steps are taken by the private hospitals. He has also said that now a new tender might be flouted for a new insurance company. Let's have a look at what he has to say. This is in regard to the health insurance schemes. We have been in conversation regarding this issue. So can you tell us what is the status, current status? Now we're nearing the end of the contract with Future Generali. I have also heard that the hospitals have given their letter for termination of contract. That means all hospitals in Kohima and Dimapur, private hospitals, sorry. So can you tell us a little bit about that? What is the status? Does that mean Nagaland will not have any insurance schemes, health insurance schemes in regard from this year on?
Right, sure. So I'll just explain to you about the current situation. So we have about 171 crores of submitted claims, out of which 140 crores have been approved and the remaining is under process. 98 crores have been paid out by the insurance company, so that leaves us with an outstanding of about 42 crores. Payments have not stopped, but the pace at which it's happening is very low, and it's not in the interest of the hospitals, because 42 crores is quite an amount. So yesterday, under the Honorable Chief Secretary's leadership, we had another meeting with the Future Generali Insurance Company, and they've been clearly directed to quickly clear the outstanding claims. So that's what's happened. Today, the court case, the PIL that was there in the court is being listed again for hearing, and from NHPS side, we are praying for the court to give a definite timeline to FGI to clear all the outstanding payments. So we've received notices from the private hospitals giving us a 1 month notice period with regards to termination. So we're aware of the issues that they're facing, because it's clearly a question of outstanding payments which is causing this issue. The moment that issue is sorted, the termination problem should automatically go away. So, if the payments don't happen even after the court's direction, then we'll have to explore other legal options as well. So all options are on the table, and we're working towards clearing out this particular issue and ensure that the scheme continue and all the hospitals continue providing services in the new fiscal year as well, new policy period as well.
Yes, considering that, of course, the payments were the main issue, the non-payments. But then again, the private hospitals, there's a lot of them that have given the 1 month termination period. Do you think they will trust the government of Nagaland again in regard to payments being paid again in future? It's because this is a huge amount and it has kind of exhausted the hospitals in the last few months.
So as you understand, there's an insurance contract that the government of Nagaland has signed with the insurance company. So the way insurance contract works is you pay the premium, and the insurance company is supposed to settle all the claims. The government of Nagaland has cleared the complete premium payments to the insurance company. It's technically, though the payments are happening, it's the pace at which it's happening is what is causing the problem. So if the breach of contract, so first of all, it's wrong to say that the government of Nagaland will have to pay. It's a contract that the government of Nagaland has entered into with an insurance company. So the insurance company is supposed to clear the outstanding payments. That's the whole point of the contract. They're not honoring the contract is what is causing the issue. So we're working on resolving it. we're hopeful that we'll be able to resolve the issue before the deadline expires, and the hospitals will continue to provide services.
Okay. Last question. Is there another insurance company in place for the coming year?
So the upcoming financial year, we've received a clearance from the government to run the insurance scheme in trust mode for 1 month till the end of April. And meanwhile, we're working on floating a tender for an insurance company for the next policy period. So it should be floated shortly, and we will have one insurance company in place, whoever wins the tender, by 1st May 2025.
Can we be assured that the private hospitals will not shut or stop all these insurance?
So, like I said, we're
Otherwise it will
working
be
towards insurance. No, we're working towards ensuring the outstanding payments. We're exploring all legal options to ensure that the payments are made and the services continue.
Thank you.